Hi guys, I am Tanigai. Now we are going to see how to prepare mutton boti gravy. This is a fresh mutton boti bought from butcher shop. Requirements: mutton boti 5 kg, turmeric powder 50 grams, garam masala 100 grams, red chilli powder 50 grams, onion 2.5 kg, tomato 2.5 kg, ginger garlic paste 500 grams, green chilli 5 numbers, coriander leaf 1 bunch, mint leaf 1 bunch, refined oil 50 ml, salt required level lemon 2 numbers. Yeah, mutton boti cleaned by hot water by removing the outer layer. Once mutton boti is cleaned, it will be boiled in a hot water by mixing turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste and salt. Till it becomes soft, it should be boiled. It takes around 20 to 30 minutes to boil. It will be like a juicy like consistency it will come. Till that it should be boiled. Check the softness of the mutton boti by pressing the boti. Till the raw smell it goes, it should be taken care by adding masalas, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and salt. Another side, we need to prepare a masala to add into the boiled boti. For that, take a vessel and add 50 ml of refined oil. Once oil is heated, add onion 2.5 kg and 5 numbers of green chilli. Then fry the onion till it becomes golden color. After onion become golden color, add remaining 250 grams of ginger garlic paste and mix and fry till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste leaves. Then add 2.5 kg of tomato and mix it thoroughly. See now, once tomato is getting boiled, it will be made into crunchy, juicy like consistency. If it's getting so dry, add little bit of water so that it will be boiled into juicy like substance. Once it get boiled, check the consistency, it becomes like juicy like substance. If required, add some water so that it will not get dried. See now the oil is separating from the masal. Now add 50 grams of turmeric powder and mix it well in the oil. Now it's fully mixed. Once the raw smell of turmeric powder gets out of the masal, add 100 grams of garam masal and mix it well in the masal. And wait till the masal becomes fully boiled in the mixture. See now that masal is fully mixing in the mixture so that the smoky like thing is happening in the vessel. This masala is fully boiling. That's the symptom of that smoke. Fully mix in the masal. See how it's boiling. Once masala get boiled, add 100 grams of chili powder, add 100 grams of chili powder, and mix it well in the mixture. Now almost gravy for boti is ready. Wait till chili powder get mixed thoroughly in the mixture. In between, check whether boti is boiled and got softened, like juicy, like soup like consistency. Water is coming from the boti, like that. You want to check that one, and check whether boti is soft. Once it is boiled, add the masal which we prepared. And mix it thoroughly. This mutton boti is prepared for 5 kg. 5 kg mutton boti we prepared this. And mix it thoroughly till boti get again boiled in a masal. See, like that bubbles is coming. It indicates that boti is boiling well. Just to mix it well again. See, all boti is thoroughly mixed in the masal. See, like smoky like thing is coming, so it indicates that masala and boti is ready. Now add the salt as per the taste required. And then mix it well. Finally, add coriander and mint leaf in the masal. Final, we are going to add coriander and mint leaf. That's all, our boti is ready. We can serve and eat now. Thank you for watching the video.